Hello, everyone. Today's discussion is on democracy and housing. Let's dive into 5 talking points about the legislative aspects in democracy and housing. The first point revolves around affordable housing. In legislative terms, this means putting in place measures like rent control, subsidies, and incentives for developers to create housing options for people across different income levels. It's about making sure everyone has access to decent and reasonably priced homes. Moving on to the second point, anti-discrimination laws in housing. Legislation here is crucial to ensuring that housing opportunities are available to everyone, irrespective of race, gender, ethnicity, religion, or disability. These laws create fair and inclusive environments where everyone has an equal chance to find housing that suits their needs. Now let's talk about tenant protections. Legislative frameworks that safeguard tenants' rights are essential. This involves setting rules on eviction procedures, lease terms, and maintaining living standards. By establishing these protections, we create a balanced relationship between landlords and tenants, contributing to the democratic nature of housing. My fourth point emphasizes the importance of community involvement in planning. Legislative measures can ensure that local residents have a voice in decisions about housing development and urban planning. This means public hearings, community consultants, and transparent planning procedures, ensuring that people living in an area has a say in the transformation. Lastly, let's discuss environmental sustainability. In housing legislation, this involves incorporating eco-friendly practices into housing development, such as energy efficiency and green building standards. By aligning housing legislation with broader societal goals like sustainability, we are not only providing homes, but also contributing to the well-being of our planet. These legislative measures collectively define what democracy in housing looks like. It's all about access, fairness, participation, and sustainability. Thank you for joining me today in me unraveling the legislative aspects of democracy in housing. To learn more, you can visit NARAB.com, the Dayton Realtors Association, or also the Cincinnati Realtors Association. If you want to know more about me, visit sessionslending.com. Thank you.